Hey there, Bob Deeks from RDC Fine Homes. I'm back up at our site in Bear Creek in beautiful Whistler, British Columbia. We are just getting ready to fly in the first elements for the steel structure on this project that's built into the hillside here. As you can see, the crane's just getting ready. We are in the process of getting our first floor system installed, and we need a few steel elements to support it. Let's turn around and we'll have a look at them flying in the first of these steel HSS posts. Hey, we can just see the first of our HSS posts starting to fly in here as the guys are getting ready to assemble the floor joists for our TGI floor system in our Energy Step Code 4 home here. So very exciting to see some of these structural elements going in. We need to get the floor system in here to brace our tall walls at the back there so we can finish off our insulated concrete forms. So we've got about a week and a half to get this floor system in, and then we can continue on with our ICF, or insulated concrete forms works here, and get up to the roof. We are probably about 3 to 4 weeks away from being able to put our roof trusses in and get this baby closed in. So stay tuned. We'll come back as we get back to ICF works in a couple of weeks here.